Happy Friendship Day, boys.
What a day to come back.
Happy Friendship Day. Is it actually Friendship Day today?
Is it
Or
supposed to be the
it
first
is.
Sunday of August, or is it like on the date?
It's Friendship Day, bro. The day we are told it's Friendship Day,
It's Friendship
it's Friendship
It
Day.
is,
Yeah.
yeah. School में everyone used to come with those
Bands,
bracelets.
bands,
Yeah.
How many bands did you have like सबसे ज्यादा एक साथ? तेरा ऐसे दोस्त थे जिनके सारे हाथ भरे हुए
दोस्त थे
उनका
वैसे।
एक भी दोस्त नहीं है अभी।
हाँ.
You just wanted to get it out of the way.
उनका एक भी दोस्त नहीं है साले अकेले बैठे घर पे
नहीं भाई मेरा I was in the middle, like
3-4
3-4 नहीं, like more than that, but
Damn.
In my school, it wasn't allowed.
It's
Like
all boys school ना
All
why would
boys
you
school, yeah.
go and buy
एक दूसरे दूंगा. तुम लोग टीचर को बांधते थे क्या?
टीचर हमको बांधती थी भाई
क्या?
नहीं
Sorry. Sorry.
भाई.
it's a boys episode man
Done.
Yeah, boys episodes are. The
Now-
boys are back.
The boys are back.
the boys are back
Yeah.
No.
I don't know, man. Friendship Day was always just like वो bands ही होते थे, and then some people would get the expensive ones, like
Yeah.
what Live Strong.
Live strong. Those aren't even friendship bands.
Oh
yeah,
yeah.
Live
Suddenly,
Strong.
it's like
Live Strong bands were a thing bro.
Live
I
Strong
was
were pretty cool.
थोड़ा envious कि
They had
I
one
didn't
and you
get a
did.
Live Strong band and all bro
Did you get any band?
I got a bunch
भाई वो रोल लाते थे हम.
वो गरीब एक से एक गरीब लेके वो पूरा पतंग बनाने वाला रोल लेके
पूरा
आता है। He used to-
पत्ती 20 रुपए का आता था.
Yeah.
You come with a scissor.
They'd come and like stitch
और
their
उसका
own
वो
bands.
रस्सी पूरा खुल जाता था.
Yeah.
It'd be all over the place.
Yeah, that's
in your school, they allowed you all to tie friendship band or what?
I don't think even
That's
I
how
was
we spoke
allowed
to
to
girls.
tie.
Correct. You all had girls.
Yeah. But then I would never tie friendship bands to the girls I like.
yeah, and like, when they also come, you're like, नहीं, I have class. अभी नहीं.
Did it make?
I'm allergic actually. I'm allergic to friendship. What were you asking?
I was. I forgot now what I was going to ask. But I know. Arey yaar, what?
Can we? Let's give
Yeah,
context. We gotta
भाई,
build
कृष्णा
context.
ऐसा सेंटेंस के बीच में छोड़ देता है भाई. sentence.
You kind of lose air, I think, like, which is crazy because you have the biggest lungs here. Like,
What
like,
does that even mean?
How
like
do you
he
know?
has.
Yeah.
So,
No, I do.
Like
Big
in a
lungs.
previous job that we were doing, we were made to meditate and like do deep breaths and stuff.
That's how you know I have.
So yeah, seriously. तो इसका ऐसा एक सांस like he can take his breath is like for a minute or something. He can take it in.
Minute I'm inhaling.
Yeah.
I'm like a yogi, dude.
Yeah,
Give it a
actually,
try.
even when we did yoga, his breaths were longer. I was trying
See?
to keep up, and I was like,
You can't, dude. He's got big lungs.
Yeah. No, I've been told by her actually.
By
Never
whom?
mind. But I went for a medical test once, and chest expansion was one of the things I had to do. And I'm going to try and be loud now because I realize I'm doing it again.
it's the big lungs.
I've got them big lungs.
And soft
Big lungs
voice.
is back in town.
big lungs and soft voice.
Isn't it great, bro? Friendship.
Yeah.
Isn't friendship just
I
great?
missed y'all.
Yeah, I've missed everyone, man. Like, 'cause
Yeah, bro. Yugo's
moving
been
like first time. So first of all, like we just completed like a year living together
Yeah, our
in
1 year
Bombay,
anniversary of living
Yeah.
together.
and then I moved out like right after 1 year.
You just bailed.
He was ready with that. नहीं भाई, like एक साल bro, like every single day I woke up like seeing his face. And after that,
And I got tired of it.
नहीं,
He's like,
Hear me out, bro.
Leo, bro. As soon as we turn 26, he was like,
I'm out, boys. He didn't even wait for us to turn 26, bro. He
Yeah.
left just before we
Yeah,
turned
he was
26.
like, हो गया भाई.
True.
हाँ.
True.
That's why he's
25,
still
bro.
friends with me because I'm 25.
Yeah.
Your days are numbered, brother.
So you don't like waking up to
No, you didn't let me finish. I'm saying एक साल वो हुआ, and when I went to Bangalore and I'm like, fuck, I don't have to see this guy every single morning. Must be moving up. कुछ तो अच्छा हो रहा है.
this thing for no reason.
I swear, bro. Unnecessarily,
नहीं,
I
I-
got happy friendship day. Happy friendship day, guys.
What I want to say is, like, I really miss everyone, bro. Like, I got very attached to like just having you guys around the house and. नहीं, but I do get attached, bro. तो मेरे लिए अच्छा था. Like moving out and like living alone.
Yeah.
So you live by yourself now?
No.
इतना बड़बड़ करके
सच हमारे साथ ही रह लेता है।
But I am going to, like, I'm looking for my own place now. I'm going to live alone. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. खुद के बर्तन दो, कपड़े दो, ये सब भी तो करना पड़ता है भाई फिर.
हाँ, भाई वो
आगे
तो
जाके.
हम कर रहे थे थोड़े टाइम के लिए
Yeah.
यहाँ पे.
Yeah.
Like 1 year. Okay, let's get
Yeah, let's
into-
break it down,
Yeah, let's
actually.
get into 1 year of us living away from
Yeah.
home, like without a family.
Hmm.
I mean, this is
Away from family.
away from
Away from हाँ like
Away
our
from
parents, let's say.
parents are alive and well. Touch wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone's.
Yeah.
All good.
हाँ, सबके
सबके
तू ही ठीक है.
सबके होते हैं.
दो घर है.
सबके नहीं होते लक्ष्मण.
Yeah. Anyway.
तू भी तो has two homes to miss. Which one do you miss more, your dad's house or your mom's house?
Man.
कहाँ पे प्यार कम मिला तेरे को बचपन में? कहाँ से? अभी वहाँ से
Let's
ज्यादा
break down,
मिलेगा.
let's break
Wait,
down.
Stewie, I will answer this question. I'll say.
हाँ.
I like his mom's house.
Did anyone ask you?
You're not answering.
Was this question for you? Okay, let's break
Anyway.
down
I
Arya.
think we're drifting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we moved out last year.
In June.
We moved to Mumbai from Pune to like do this whole content thing full time, and then we all live in this house.
Yeah.
lived in this house until Yugo left.
Hey.
And then yeah, so from in the beginning when we moved, I remember for 1 whole month, probably 2 months, bro, just like something breaking every day, like something in the house
Yeah.
breaking down, and for us we had to like call
Like electrician,
Electrician,
जो भी हो.
plumber,
Yeah.
carpenter, और studio का भी काम था
Yep.
to set all of this up.
Yeah.
And I remember we were beefing with one
Electrician.
electrician.
Yeah, because he was like,
He was-
I
he
need
was
20 grand
scamming
to
us.
set up a net.
कुछ भी.
Bro, he was scamming us like he thought we are rich kids.
हाँ.
तो बाहर जो net लगाते हैं ना, like in your balcony.
The pigeon net.
The pigeon net. He gave a costing of 25,000.
Yeah, he's like, अरे ऐसे तो ऐसे ही होता है sir. And we're like, really?
He
For
wanted
nets?
It's the same
We were
guy.
almost convinced also.
Because he
Yeah.
was a, I mean, it was a
He
good
was like, sir,
pitch.
ये इसमें quality का difference होता है, ये top quality वाला plastic है. And then we were like, हाँ, होगा भाई best quality का plastic.
And like
Then,
we had a bunch of rooms, right? And like a lot of them. तो we're like, हाँ सब मिला के हाँ क्या? पर we were like कुछ तो गलत हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And then eventually we got him.
Yeah,
We're
we
like,
got
you know
him.
what?
This guy wanted to become a YouTuber. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
Or you had given him an
electrician.
idea to
He
become a
was
YouTuber.
like the worst guy, bro. He was cloud chasing,
Yeah,
scamming
yeah.
us. Then he was like doing, he would come to my room when he was doing, fixing my room. He would come and say, ये आपने सबसे अच्छा वाला room लिया है. Before we even picked the rooms, he took me to the side. He's like, सर मैं आपको एडवाइस दे रहा हूँ, ये वाला रूम ले लो, बेस्ट वाला है ये.
I didn't know he did all of this.
बाकी लोग को मत बता.
He came to me and he's like, आपका सबसे बड़ा रूम है यहाँ पे. Sir, आप तो sir.
25,000 निकालो सर.
It's like, सर मैंने सबसे बात किया है, मेरे को आप सबसे अच्छे लगे तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ आपको बोल दूँ कि ये वाला रूम लो, यहाँ बेड के पास स्विच भी है, ये आप फोन भी चार्ज लगा सकते हो. I'm like, okay man, this guy seems like a sweet guy, like he's got my
Hey,
best interest at
He
heart.
cares, man.
सबको जाके
He was-
चूना लगाया.
Divide and rule, bro. This guy's playing mind games.
Is it the same guy?
Yeah.
At the
Yeah,
you
first,
fought with him.
Yeah,
You
the
fought with him the
first
first
day I
time.
came to this house, I ended up arguing with him. Bloody idiot.
Yeah, like so stuff like this kept happening
Yeah.
around the house, like all the
Just
time.
dealing with all these people.
Yeah.
And then I think we kind of figured everything out. And
That was still like the house part.
Haan.
The living together part, we were still like figuring out.
yeah, because we were
Yeah.
doing a lot of work.
Yeah.
And then we also had to take care of the house. And we didn't have anyone who was doing it for us. Like, I think we had a maid after a while,
Yeah.
like a house help.
yeah.
But she just did a bad job.
Matlab,
We've had a few maids. Now that
I mean, you
think of
gotta
it.
go through a few mates to get a good one, I guess. Like, hai na?
You know.
That's
Yeah,
what
I
I'm.
think You gotta try
saying.
them out. Yeah.
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 Like different people have different skill sets, and whichever one.
I actually don't remember our first house help.
You don't? I remember her.
What?
Which one was it? Can we take their names?
Yeah, I mean you can.
Yeah, I mean, one was Kamla.
Kamla was a cook.
Kamla was the cook. Seema was our
Seema.
सीमा जी
Seema ji.
सीमा जी थे और फिर
Do you
कमला जी
remember
आए.
like every day someone would come and ring on the doorbell saying, "We heard you moved. Do you need mates?"
Yeah,
This
yeah.
happened for like a month straight.
Yeah, I've never felt so wanted by women. Yeah.
But then it's important to find those people soon in
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
the process of moving.
While all of this was happening, we were trying to figure out how to do like our chores.
Hmm.
And bro, it's like no matter how you do it, if there's so many people living together, there's going to be mess. ठीक है? और mess भी ऐसा होता है कि everyone's tolerance for mess is different, na?
Correct.
So for what's messy for me may not be messy for someone else.
Yeah.
Yeah, like someone leaving a plate after having food.
Yeah.
Like you might get more angry than maybe
Yeah.
I'll be like ठीक है बाद में उठा ले कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ.
तो but that will get to a point where at some point you'll be like bro what the fuck.
Dude, I went through this whole range of
Emotions.
emotions तो नहीं बोलूँगा, but it was just at the start I was like, oh, what is happening? Like if you check our house group,
It's quite funny.
every morning someone would get up and the first person to get up would see all the mess.
Yeah.
And no one wants to wake up to that, bro.
Yeah.
Like, and then
So what do? You take a picture.
take
of
a
it.
picture and
Put it
send
on
you
the
like
group.
who
कि
did
who's
this.
this filthy
Yeah.
animal?
Yeah. And then it got progressively worse, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
I was like,
it did.
bro, whoever left this, like your this is that and your that is this.
तुम्हारा ये परवरिश में तेरा ये
Yeah,
सीख
bro.
के आया तू.
Actually, at one point he wrote like he just messaged saying, "Is this your upbringing that you've had? What is wrong with you people? Treat this house like your own or leave right now."
Yeah.
It was really filthy, bro. I
Full
remember.
classist I had become. I was like, from where I come from, this is not how we do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to
funny.
live like in a swamp.
Yeah.
You want to
Yeah,
live
that's
nicely.
true.
And then this happened for a while, and until I was just, I was like, bro, मेरे को क्या है? If they want to live like this, I don't care. I also gave in. I would clean my own stuff, or I was like, मेरे को हाँ, if it's
Common
messy,
rooms तुम करो जो भी.
नहीं, if it's messy, it's messy. I don't care. Let's see how long this goes on for. Because I remember this one time, वो sliding वाला खिड़की होता है ना, जो किचन में है,
Yeah.
like the balcony one.
Dry balcony.
तो वो उसका जो रेलिंग रहता है ना, the tracks or whatever you call it, that becomes very dirty and it's very difficult to clean it.
Okay.
And I was like, bro, someone has to clean it. I sat, it took me like 2.5 hours to clean the whole thing. And
Sat and cleaned the railing.
Yeah, you
I
don't
think.
remember this?
dude,
उसमें
I,
that मल लगता है ना उसमें बीज अंदर.
I-
dirty है.
And kitchen ka it's even more sticky because of the oil. Like,
so then I sat and did that and I was like, why did I just do that? Like, I could have not done it. I was like, you know what? Forget about this. Like, I'm not going to do this anymore. And then what happened?
you had cleaned the fan also once. Do you remember you had gone on like a full cleaning spree?
Yeah.
When you cleaned the whole kitchen, you cleaned the whole living room.
You know, people whose lives are a mess,
Mm.
they try to clean around them to feel like,
Yeah.
Control?
yeah.
Is
It
that a
does
real
help.
thing?
It does help. Yeah.
I mean, any sort of space that you live in or whatever, like cleaning it, it is therapeutic. Like
I feel it reflects your mind state of mind that you're in. Like if your
It
room
could,
is
yeah.
clean, you're
then
also in a better
then तेरा दिमाग साफ है.
headspace.
क्या?
Yeah.
Okay.
How did you live alone like for a year and a half?
So initially when I moved, okay, backstory for the viewers. I don't live here. I have my own apartment in Pune.
Traitor.
And how is that traitor? Traitor would have been if I moved here and then I moved after that. I love you, Harry. Okay, whatever.
And stop touching, and stop touching my leg in the.
I'm seeing your leg after a very long time.
Okay, boys. Where side?
What was I
Boys.
talking about? About
You were talking about
living-
how you moved.
Haan.
Yeah.
So when I made a very stupid decision of moving out when I had no sort of bank balance. So I was neck to neck like every every month, and it got difficult to have house help. I couldn't employ anyone. I had no furniture. My living room was a TV and a chair.
Not bad.
What else does a man need?
Yeah.
That was us also for
Yeah,
us.
that was us.
I mean, we were
He was
living without
sleeping on the
furniture
floor
for-
Yeah.
for like a month, 2 months. Huh.
So initially it was bad, and if you've heard any previous episodes, you'll know how much I despise the kitchen and doing
Oh
anything.
yeah, your kitchen is probably
anything-
the worst
Yeah,
piece of
so-
shit I've ever seen
Yeah,
in my
it's,
life.
I don't enter my kitchen. It's not. I
Dark
don't
side of the
even
moon,
approach it.
bro.
Yeah.
It's not been unlocked yet.
Yeah. So initially when I had
The
moved out,
force field will push you away. Like, you can't do it.
when I moved out, just getting used to doing the dishes, getting used to cleaning,
my,
keeping
the
my bed,
dishes.
the dishes, and I really.
Imagine that with
worst,
like
bro.
8 people now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Imagine the pile of dishes.
Nahi bhai.
Oh my God.
Whoever is doing it,
I imagine
God.
I
Yeah.
got scared.
Took me back.
Start glitching.
Yeah, it's not a pleasant thing in the beginning, but then I feel like it does build a lot in terms of character of a person. It shows you how you need to be dependent on yourself, and there's a lot of adulting that happens in the process.
That is what adulting is actually. Like
Yeah.
just learning how to do dishes. And learning, it's an easy thing to do. But
Doing
just to do it, like to realize that this is something that I have to do and I have to do it every day, multiple times a day, and there is no other way around it.
Yeah,
What are you gonna do?
yeah.
Buy a dishwasher maybe, if you
Yeah.
can afford.
They're expensive, huh? The dishwasher.
How much do they cost?
I think around 35,000. I tried and I decided that it was outside of my
35k once, or like you have a
No, they
house
need to
help?
buy those.
Yeah,
Nail
house help
pellets.
is cheaper.
Yeah, house help.
I mean, not in the long run,
really.
because
Yeah.
you're paying every month.
Hmm.
Dishwasher, once you get it's you're sorted. and
What
then
comes out like? What is the more net better? Kya hai?
Dishwasher.
Dishwasher,
It's
no?
a one-time thing, dude.
Hmm.
I mean, yeah. At the start, that's like you've got to go through all of that. Even, bro, like laundry. I remember we have a washing machine. Luckily, we don't have to like wash it with hands. I've done that also before, but
Bucket mein.
Fat maar ke ho
that
gaya.
is just like difficult.
Yeah.
A washing machine obviously makes things easier, but for us to align, ki, oh, today you're washing your clothes, so I'll wash mine tomorrow.
Hmm.
Like each time I would go down with my
would be
clothes,
full.
it would be full spinning, or someone has not taken their clothes. That's
Oh, yeah,
that
that-
was
Oh,
like,
that's the worst. That's the
I was
worst.
like,
Like
भाई, तू
you.
कपड़े लेना भाई तूने धोया है क्या
Too
No,
कर
bad.
रहा
and the worst
too
part,
bad.
like I don't know if people know this, that if you leave your clothes in the machine for many hours, it starts stinking.
है? I
Yeah,
think they
because
know,
wet,
'cause-
na?
They don't care, bro. They used to just leave it in there, and then we'd have to put a photo on the house group again, saying whose clothes are these, and you know whose clothes they are. Still, whose clothes are these? Come and get your clothes
Can
now.
I, all three of you all are saying someone used to leave. None of you all ever did any of
I
this.
think we were
No.
good
I-
with our
नहीं
rotations.
हो जाता है bro कभी like you leave it in for an hour and you're not standing there waiting, you're
Yeah.
going and doing things, you get busy,
Hmm.
so you forget. It's
It's
Like-
natural.
Yeah, होता है.
but like
कभी-कभी.
it's infuriating for other people
Yeah.
to just see that and you're like अरे क्या करे.
Hmm.
And bro, first of all, before even doing all of this, do you know there's different kinds of detergent for different washing machines?
As
Yeah.
in like one
I found out
detergent
after we
can't go
moved
in
here.
one.
Do you
Yeah.
know this?
No, I didn't know.
Of
I
course.
just buy and I put it.
Even, yeah.
You get Tide, ठीक है?
Hmm.
And if you have a top loading washing machine, you need a different Tide. If you get a front loading, you get
Front मतलब बीच से खुलता है.
हाँ.
Okay.
हाँ, जो ऐसा
You need a
ऐसा वाला
different
दरवाजा है.
Do you know the science, or like why is it different?
We should look it up.
Like,
Do you
'cause-
know?
हाँ, नहीं नहीं. Of course
Get
not.
go get the Tide from the laundry room.
नहीं,
Let me
क्योंकि
show you.
You
like-
ever tried?
या तो तू ऊपर से डाल रहा है या तो तू पीछे से डाल रहा है. Sorry.
नीचे
No,
से.
it has
से,
that
सामने से.
drawer.
It has that drawer, na?
Actually,
हाँ.
the top load also has a drawer.
I've never used a top load because in the house we luckily have both.
Yeah, you don't use
One
the-
washing machine we don't use. Like it came from Amin's old house. That was a top. That's the first time I actually
Let's see
found
if we
out
can.
that there are.
Let's see. I want to really
What
know
is
like
this
what
one?
is
That's
the.
when I found out that
This
it's
is-
separate.
What is this one?
This is top load.
This top load.
I
तो ये-
bought this by mistake.
Oh, so we have a front
I was
load.
just like Tide is Tide. Like you
Yeah.
do whatever. This is like a top load. And then
What is this one?
Which one? This is front.
This
load.
is a front
show
load.
this one.
Tide Matic.
Wait, let me read what is here.
Let's actually look up why.
है ना? कुछ तो reason होगा. What is the difference?
See, pour, treat, and dose.
But what does that have to do the detergent? Like this is both like liquid.
It's both liquid.
वो भी
है ना?
liquid है क्या? वो powder नहीं है?
और liquid और powder के बीच में क्या फर्क है? Like Imagine, bro, like having
Yeah, just
to.
look it up. Why have we
don't
never
know
looked
why.
this up?
Yeah, we gotta find this out.
Why is
Pour,
top load
pre-treat, and what is the third one? Dose.
and front load require different?
Press some buttons and I'm
You typing out the whole
He doesn't even like press the start button.
I said छोड़ दिया.
Oh.
क्या है? You found out,
Okay,
found out.
that's actually pretty
What?
cool. A front load washing machine uses a tenth of the water needed.
A front-loading
Oh.
washing machine?
Uses less water.
Okay.
And the top loading like uses 10 times that amount of water.
Oh, yeah,
so
that
the
makes
detergent
sense.
you use, the formula is different.
So it must be stronger for.
हाँ वो कम पानी के लिए या ज़्यादा
Okay,
पानी
okay,
के लिए.
okay,
That's actually pretty cool.
It's liquid because it dissolves easier.
Damn, bro.
That
This is
actually
like-
makes sense because the
such a-
top loading that it has to like fill from like
Yeah,
this to
yeah,
like this,
yeah.
and the other one is just ऐसा पानी आ रहा है.
Damn, bro. This is an educational. content.
For very heavily soiled clothes, please use additional half cup. Stewie.
Man,
आ जाए मैं.
Special instructions from Tide. If you soil yourself.
it's for like babies, bro.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, babies same
Yeah,
detergent.
soil means anything, bro. It just
Yeah,
doesn't
it
mean.
doesn't
doesn't
mean.
Oh, like literal
Taking
dirt.
a- yeah,
My bad.
Soil.
He
like, you know,
forgot soil means.
But you thought it's only if you like piss or shit
If
yourself.
you soil yourself,
Okay, yeah.
that's what.
You can't, bro. You soiling yourself is different. This is like just normal.
Luckily, that's not a problem we've had to deal with in the house.
क्या?
People soiling themselves.
Yeah.
ये आज मैं टॉयलेट गया, तू भी ने एक लेंडी छोड़ दिया था टॉयलेट में.
Hey man.
He did.
Yeah, bhai. I don't know this part is going.
Okay, ठीक है
out.
sir.
Yeah, then we eventually like kind of figured out.
Hmm.
Then after all these problems, we were like, you know what? We need a person.
Yeah, we
To
need
help us.
help.
We need help, man.
because we
Yeah.
can't doing what we were doing. We couldn't also do all of this.
Yeah.
We needed a mother in the house, basically.
Yeah.
You
were
did
like-
too.
But yeah, that's when we.
And then we went and asked
I missed this.
the security guards downstairs. So like, if there is someone, can you please like, you know, send them? And then this guy comes and he's like, oh, I heard you were looking for someone. My cousin,
Within hours, bro. He
yeah,
showed up. It was
my cousin
crazy.
is there. I can call him. I was like, okay, call him.
Hmm.
And then enter Kumar.
Yeah.
Kumar Bhaiya. Bhaiya
Kumar
ji.
Bhaiya ji.
legend.
Yeah.
Bhaiya ji entered our lives.
Changed
and,
our lives.
And he was like, listen, I'll come here. I'll cook for you. I'll do everything around the house, cleaning, laundry.
Sub.
I'll clean up your rooms. Whatever you need, I'll go get groceries.
Hmm.
And then we were like, okay, you come for a while. Let us see like if we like your cooking. And he was like, अरे भैया वो मैं एक बार बनाऊंगा ना आप मुझे रख लोगे.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember that pitch of his.
Yeah.
Bro, beautiful salesmanship. Like he's like, I'll do it for
Now
you.
Yeah, he was
It's
so
over.
almost dismissive. Like each
Yeah.
time he said,
He's like,
अरे भैया आप
क्या बोल
मैं
रहा
10 साल से कर रहा हूँ. हमें आता है भैया.
10 साल की उम्र से कर रहा हूँ.
But yeah, he was saying. So basically, Kumar came and he's like, आप बस खाना खाओ ना मेरा. आपको समझ में आएगा. So then we asked him, okay, what will you make? So he thinks, फिरंकी बना दूँ आपके लिए?
What?
Frankie.
Frankie.
And we were like, I've never had Frankie
That's
at
a
home.
good- That's a good.
You had
first thing.
Frankie at home?
Of course, you had a Frankie before, bro.
Frankie
home,
means
at
the
At
roll.
home, at home.
Yeah.
Home cooked.
Actually, his mom is very like she makes everything
Creative.
types, yeah. Like every time I've gone to his house, like
But
some
vegetarian, na?
crazy snack.
Of
Yeah.
course.
So I can no like my house was always like rice and ye wo.
Yeah.
Yeah, the occasional spaghetti and
Spaghetti,
man.
pasta and all was there, but
yeah.
Frankie and all
Frankie was a
very
little too.
rarely.
Yeah, it's not considered typical Indian household food.
Yeah.
No?
But he wowed us with those Frankies. bro.
Yeah,
Good
Killed
Frankies.
it. Yeah.
Good Frankies. Then now he does everything. Like now I don't even look at the washing machine. I have a basket. I
Put
throw
your
all
clothes in
my like dirty clothes in there. It magically comes back folded.
Crazy, bro.
Folded, washed, dried, folded.
But I still prefer putting my own clothes for a while.
Do it then.
I do it. I always do it.
I can't.
I genuinely do it
Why?
because
What pleasure do you get from this?
I don't know. It's just like I don't want anyone touching my dirty clothes.
Hey.
I don't know, man.
You're embarrassed that someone
How
will see
dirty
you.
are they?
No, not embarrassed. It's just like
No, like, do you feel shy? Ki, Arey, my chaddi.
no,
wants
like
to
in
fill up."
Pune home, though, just like it goes in the basket and then the maid only takes care of it. Here, I don't know. There's some. Maybe I come and I check if the washing machine is available, not there. Because otherwise, then your clothes just go for like days together. Because like we have to, we're like 6-7 people bro in the house. It goes in a batch. So then I usually just go and put it myself only.
Do you like not like it when others' clothes are mixed in your load?
Yeah, maybe that.
Hmm?
Maybe that too.
Damn,
I don't
bro.
know.
I thought we were. I thought we were
I'll
close.
put your
for
chaddi,
that,
bro.
I was like,
You-
I was gonna say after a while, like before even
But yeah,
Kumar
that
came, we had
happens.
figured out our laundry. Like it wasn't crossing over that much. Like we had become laundry friends.
Yeah.
Laundry best friends. Like
Yeah, sometimes I would put
Yeah.
others people's also to dry. Like
तेरा भी एक
Yeah, I
मूसा
do that,
डाल
I
दे
do
भाई.
that.
Like put your underwear in, bro. It's all
yeah,
good.
I would
like.
come and ask him like I don't have those many clothes today. If you guys
Yeah.
want to add,
Mm.
sweet. It was a sweet bonding experience.
It is, it
Yeah.
is. I've folded your chaddis the other day.
Nice. What do you think?
Did you take a sniff of them?
Jeez.
I have actually. Mine are, I think, the most colorful.
Yeah, you do have very colorful.
What is your wildest color?
Wildest, matlab, I have orange.
Like an eccentric pink.
Orange, red.
Orange.
Orange underwear.
Pink underwear.
Orange,
is a-
nahi, the bands, the waist.
अच्छा the band. हाँ bands are okay,
बाकी का
bro.
चड्डी black ही रहता है, बस that waistband is.
You can play in those colors, like get a fancy neon pink and all.
Neon pink.
Yeah, it's cool.
They'll see you coming from.
Right now, I'm rocking a red.
I'm actually wearing
God.
pink, dude.
Pink.
Yes,
Yeah.
awesome.
किसका पहन रहा है?
Mine is blue.
Let me see.
This is adulting, bro. When you live
Yeah.
with people, like you.
You show them your underwear.
No, you get comfortable. Like,
Yeah.
after-
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like,
Yeah.
That's important when you decide who to live with. Like after a point, can you like walk around in your underwear?
Hmm.
Because it might. I don't know, man. Like,
Yeah,
It's
but
a
I don't
level of
want you
comfort.
walking around in the kitchen in the underwear in your underwear.
but why? What's the problem?
Yeah, it's his house.
Your friends.
And it's yours. Until you
Was,
left
was.
it.
Until he left. He bailed on us.
Tell me honestly, like, did you guys miss me?
Of course not. Yeah, I did. I mean,
मेरे को तो
No,
washing
you
machine
guys
मिल रहा है
like
भाई हफ्ते
first
को.
like you guys should go because we were actually living together.
Yeah, actually we were.
No, of course I miss you, dude. Like, how much can I hang out with Stewie?
Yeah.
Like, और कितना ही मतलब after a, I love him and all, but after a
Like
point,
we
it's
need
just
you. We need you every now and then.
to freshen it up.
Mm.
We're just like, what would Yugu do in this situation? Then randomly Anu will be like, what do you think Yugu's doing now?
Yeah.
It happens quite often.
No, it's
Not
nice.
often. It's happened like
अपना
once.
situation पे it's never happened.
It's never happened. I made it up.
अपना situation भी थोड़ा अलग है. It's not like we were random strangers who then
Yeah.
started living together.
Yeah,
We've been
yeah,
friends for life. So our experience is more of a friends living together.
Yeah.
And honestly, apart from like ठीक है इसने ये छोड़ दिया वो कर दिया, it's a lot of fun because you always have people to hang out with.
Yeah.
And you can choose to be alone also. Like go do your own thing and then come.
Yeah.
And you have like people to do things with at all times. Like if you want to watch a movie, you can just be like, oh, I'm watching this movie. Who wants to come? And then you're watching with your friends. Like the things that we would make plans to do before, now it's just like you can do it.
It's in the
Yeah.
comfort of your house. Yeah.
And it doesn't get old. That's the...
You don't.
Yeah.
There's never a fatigue. Like now, these people are who you hang out with. They're also the people who
Working
you
with.
stay with. Now you're working with them. Do you not feel like tired sometimes? कि यार ये कितना झेलूं
It
इसको?
happens, but then you go and do your own work.
Yeah.
Then you sit in your room for a while.
Hmm.
You don't interact. And everyone understands that, bro. Like you just give each other your space. Like that's with anyone, I feel. Even if you're living with strangers. Let's say like now, I don't know who you're living with.
I
Somebody.
mean,
right?
I'm living with people I've just met. वैसे.
Correct. So like, see, they're strangers. Technically,
Yeah,
they're
yeah,
strangers
yeah.
to you.
Yeah.
But then after a while, you also wouldn't want to hang out with them all the time.
I mean,
Like in the common areas. Then you all go
me
back to
personally,
your own.
though, I like having my personal space.
Exactly. So then you just go and you just chill, bro. And then whenever you want to come out, you come out and be like, what's up? What are you doing?
There's an understanding. Like
Yeah.
if I ask Tuvi, bro, do you want to do this? If he says no, I don't feel like it. You don't feel bad.
Yeah.
Like, you're like, you don't feel, oh, he doesn't want to hang out with me. In fact, before this, like when we weren't living together, you could have like probably felt bad. If you're like, bro, do you wanna hang? It's like, nah, I don't feel like.
Huh.
it.
It's an active choice.
What
to
do you
do,
mean,
like,
bro?
not hang out.
Like, you don't wanna hang. But now
would you
it's-
say that?
Now you can choose.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And everyone knows, especially like when you're slightly older. Now we're not kids.
Yeah, we're
20
really not
26
anymore.
years old, bro.
Yeah.
Like adulting, we had to start doing it a bit late. I
Yeah.
feel
Yeah.
uh,
Quite late.
because a lot of people move out during college.
18, 19 people usually move out.
You did move out, right? When
Yeah.
you were 18.
I was here. I was in this city for about 2.5 years, and then stopped.
Did it again, man.
Did it
How
again.
about
Tell her
I
to
just
say-
keep quiet?
Nahi yaar.
No, tell her you were here.
That's
for
what you're
2.5.
doing.
Yeah.
After you start a sentence.
Yeah,
You
which
moved when
was
you were. What is the experience like? Because I have to.
when I moved out initially. I went. I was staying in Chandivali, and I was staying
Chandivali?
with a Chandivali, and it was with a family member of mine. I was staying. They had a house there, so which was nice, which was cool. I had my own space for the first time outside of like my family's place in Pune, and it felt good. The liberty, I could spend money randomly and like not wonder कि वो खत्म होएगा कि नहीं, which was fun.
Damn.
Because like now like even if I'm ordering food, I want to know what the status of my bank account is. It's not like I'm not in some great place also money wise, but that was how it was initially, and but then like I could feel like I was getting on my aunt's nerves at times.
Who was washing your clothes at that time?
No, I used to put in
Not
the
wash, you
only put it.
washing machine, but I
Did
didn't
you
know all
use
this.
the right detergent?
I don't know.
Now
I'm
he will.
pretty sure he was.
Now
bro,
I will.
'cause
Now
his
you
aunt
know.
would have kept everything there.
वो I just वो जो था उसको लेकर ऐसा डाल दिया मैंने, कपड़े को अंदर डाल, whatever, and then I just pressed the button. That's all it used to be, and that's how it was initially. Then I had another stint in Bombay when I was alone, and that was at a classmate's house. So then there the habitat was fully different. That was proper Bombay bachelor household where there's like rent is through the roof, and space is non-existent.
Minimal, yeah.
And I think there are about 5 people, including myself, living in that house in
Oh,
a
wow.
two-room house.
Oh my god!
Damn, bro.
And
What
one
was your
living room.
sleeping such, bro?
How did you
Not
guys
much.
do laundry over there?
There though, I don't even remember doing laundry, dude. I used to go. I think I used to take my clothes out of a bag and वहाँ पे बाल्टी से धोता था मैं. And but that also I used to. I'll be frank. I did very less. Like I tried not to clean my clothes as
Till the time
as
you
thing
wouldn't
as possible.
smell.
Yeah, only when it was
Charming.
heavily required is when. Yeah, I was in college, man. Yeah, and then now once like I've had my own house, I just love the liberty. Like initially, I used to put a lot of effort into just making sure the house was clean.
Yeah, your house used to be clean. bro,
Initially,
back
yeah.
then.
Now it's
That's
not
when you
in
had
the
a
best.
girlfriend,
When?
bro.
I also had a girlfriend at
You
that
have
time.
when you had a girlfriend.
You
it
didn't
was
even
always
come to
clean.
that first house, bro. What
Oh, yeah.
kind of-
साफ होता था
The
इसका
first
घर।
house I've
Really?
never.
I don't remember it being clean. Like maybe.
It was
जब
clean.
मैं एक ही बार गया था साफ था.
Acha. Maybe the first day that he
When he moved in.
No,
Nothing is there.
the first house was was kept very, very nicely, and since then the like life has also progressed, and there've been like various things that I've decided to like spend time doing, and unfortunately I'm not being very adult like by treating my house little badly now. But maybe this conversation will inspire change, and
Yeah.
I hope you have
start
a
cleaning my
top-load
clothes
washing machine
well.
back
I know how to use a washing machine now. I know how to use.
Do you clean
detergent.
how often do you wash your clothes?
I don't have those many clothes. Firstly,
That still doesn't.
yeah, no, like once in a week, one load goes.
That's fine.
One load a week is good.
I keep it out to dry and then I wear it like that. Sometimes I don't iron. Sometimes I do, but and yeah. It's fun, but I don't know. Like for me, when I come here, this is like it's like some different zone only. Like I can't relate. Like I feel like it's like some fest is happening. There's just people around all the time.
Yeah.
We try to have fun,
And-
na, bro. Because
When you come, it's a different thing, na? For
Yeah,
us.
and when I come, it's also like short vacation.
Dude,
So,
I just felt what you were
Yeah,
describing.
yeah.
Thoda sa, like in span of one day.
Also,
but-
I mean, we try to make sure like when you guys come, it's more fun. And,
Yeah, we
aligned-
saw.
We aligned.
ये last हफ्ते में देखा था मैंने मानो देखा.
Too much fun they're having for these guys.
When y'all come, we try to have fun.
No, but that comes through. That comes through.
I'll tell
Like
you
no,
what,
you are also happy to see us.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course, no. But even apart from that, it's just like I said, we didn't move out when we were 18, 19. So that whole college life, we were just at home the
Yeah.
whole time. And we'd go to our friends' places, and they would just always be having too much fun doing
Yeah,
like
yeah.
random things. And then now we get to have that.
Yeah.
And also we are like, okay, this is probably that last final run of
Correct.
2-3 years before like
We gotta
Really
really
You gotta like get your
Realer-
stuff
give it up.
together.
Like
Yeah.
really give up
Yeah.
like all of
Yeah.
this.
शादी वादी वो family वो सब will
Yeah.
start creeping in.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yeah.
then you can't do the things that we're doing now.
Doing that, yeah.
So
Yeah.
we're just like, let's try to have as much fun without completely
Losing ourselves.
losing
in the
ourselves
process.
in the, because there's a lot of real work also to be done.
Yeah.
And I'm very grateful
Hmm.
for whatever we get to do and the amount of fun we get to have to do this
Yeah.
for a living.
Yeah.
Always.
Like have the studio in the house
Touch wood, bro. Like,
and just
We
record
have.
whatever, have people coming. Like we get to hang out with celebrities and all, which is like every time it happens, it's just like
yeah, it's kind of cool. Like,
Yeah. Like, I remember one of those times, like I won't name anyone, like just a bunch of cool people in the room, and we just look at each other and like,
you can name them,
You
bro.
can
There's
name them.
enough
We can?
footage from that out there, bro. That's like an iconic hangout.
yeah. That I'm talking about that Samay wala
Samay
night
with
where
the-
everyone,
Yeah. With
the
the boys.
DHH was at Samay's house.
The entire day.
Yeah.
yeah, it was
What a
actually
night.
I feel like that night all of us were just like, bro,
Maza
what are we doing? Like,
Yeah.
what is life also? Where are we sitting right now? It was a very nice experience.
Yeah.
Krishna started freestyling.
I'm so
How
glad
he
he
came
didn't go
through.
silent during his freestyle. Like,
I was no, but I was. But what's funny is, apart from that, I was silent throughout the night. I didn't say anything. I didn't even talk to anyone. I was just sitting there, passed out for a bit.
oh yeah, he was passed out and we're like, bro, you got a freestyle, and then सबके सामने encore काम के सामने जाके freestyle कर रहा है bro.
Then I went back to sleep.
And then he does his thing.
I love how Yugo goes like this.
That's
yo,
what
yo.
it is.
Such a boomer thing to do this.
My uncle,
the Chinese rapper.
distant uncles who know me and they know that I started
do this
rapping,
a lot.
like making hip hop music. So you also.
You do the rap and all.
Hey, you're doing the rap and all.
One guy asked me, I don't want to make this about myself, but one short thing, instance I'll tell you all. Where this guy, he says, so you're rapping and all. So I was like, yeah, yes, uncle. And then he said, but what is wrong in your life?
You are so from good family. Why are you doing all this nonsense?
It's like, excuse me,
What is wrong with your life, yeah?
what is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Asking me these questions.
Well, I mean, I get where he's coming
yeah,
from.
he's
so.
they don't really whatever. It's
Yeah.
fine.
It's fine, they'll get it, bro.
What do you say to him?
Your music will get to them.
Yeah.
He'll like actually get to them. He'll switch it off.
कौवा सुना वो uncle को.
He's like, huh? Yeah.
Man. Yeah, what else?
What else have we done in this 1 year?
1 year?
I
Are
remember
there- are
we
there
just
like-
started this conversation with that.
Are there very noticeable changes that you've seen within your personality and just yourselves? Of
course,
while
of
you,
course.
Can you tell us what those are?
No.
I don't.
I was thinking of a serious answer. And this guy goes,
I don't know if I'm proud of the change.
No, but what we can do is like say few traits that we had when we first moved in versus
You
like
can say
now.
things you're not proud of, also, bro.
Yeah,
I'll tell you. No, I'll tell you. One thing for me is being a little more cautious with money. Because I like spending money. And not when I say spending money, people will think, oh, yeah, like buying sneakers and all that. No, if people have come over, let's say, I'm like, let's
Make it a good experience.
yeah,
the
let's
best
spend
time.
as much money for everyone to have fun, and or just like if you're buying something for the house, let's buy the best one. Where sometimes it's probably not practical because you kind of have to see how much money you have in the bank. Like bro, I remember the first 2-3 months, 4 months, 5 months, like every month at the end of the month we were all stressed out.
Yeah,
Rent जाने वाला है भाई
Like-
first को.
We have to call the guy and be like,
Give
we'll have
us
to
like
push.
Give us
give
a
us a week.
Like, give me a,
week. And so like to go from that to now, obviously like the work has improved and
Yeah.
income has increased. But like start में that was like all super stressful, so that made us realize thoda to be more cautious and
Yeah. But just spending money is something that I feel most people should go through, like this this process. It's very important. Like even when I was getting my initial paychecks, like even if they were 8,000 rupees or something small, like I would want to like spend a lot of that money on just nice things. You know, whether that's food or but then wo sab hi kar ke is when you like learn about like how you should be behaving with money and how important it is. And
Yeah.
like I try not to save as much. Like I know I'm not really saving a lot of money, but I'm very aware of where I'm spending it.
You're investing it in yourself.
I'm investing a lot of it in myself. I'm putting it in places that are important to me. जो भी है. तो I think that it's a big thing to understand. ये सब school वूल में तो किसी को सिखाते नहीं.
No, I think living alone
पैसे के बारे में,
only
yeah.
teaches
Yeah.
you
I mean you
all of
gotta
that
go
stuff.
through it to understand.
Yeah.
Money was one of the things. Second thing was when you're living with people. At the start, it takes a while to not like you want to be involved in everyone's lives because it's happening around you. But then you realize after a point that you've got to kind of let go and let people do their own thing. Even though like you spot something that may not be.
Right.
Then you have to kind of evaluate ki, is this like, do I have to get involved and tell them ki bhai don't do it like this, or is it a matter of preference where I don't like things being done like that, but it's not relevant to me at all, so it's not my place to say anything.
Yeah.
So that was something to deal with.
Yeah.
And also now when there are younger people, like we have the boys, our production boys, Prashant and Piyush were there, and they're younger to us. So for me to look at them, like you kind of have to be
Set an example.
set an example is one thing, but they're going through this also with you, and they're going through things that you've gone through. So like deciding when to get
Oh,
involved and
yeah,
tell
yeah,
them कि
yeah.
भाई ऐसा
Yeah.
मत कर,
कि-
or also letting them like burn their hand and see.
That's
Yeah.
a tough one. Like when to get involved कि इसको गलती avoid करे या करके सीखे. Like when
Such
to
a
get involved is
parental
very tough.
lens.
It is
Full
a very-
parent.
Yeah.
It
We
is a
are one.
parental
Like we
one.
are like getting to that place where we are evaluating these things. now. It's crazy.
Yeah, like sometimes, most times around the house, I feel like a
Dad.
Yeah.
Daddy.
That like to an extent where people have told me also like, bro, stop trying to be my dad. I'm like, dude, but it comes from a place of care and concern. So like I
Yeah.
have to figure out where to draw the line, when to get involved, when
Yeah.
not to get involved.
Ah,
Like how
it's-
many times will you leave your clothes in the washing machine before I have to yell at you?
Yeah.
You know?
They've been yelled at though.
Yeah, or dude, this is the like the wildest thing when you walk into someone's room and you're like, what is this
Yeah.
in your room?
Yeah.
That's what your parents used to do.
Yeah.
They'll be
कि
like, clean it and
room
I'll
साफ
come check.
करना. Yeah.
I'm giving you 1 hour's time.
And then you would clean it and it'd never be good enough, so your mom would
Will
clean
clean
it
it
one
again,
round after.
Yeah. QC.
Yeah. Oh man, that just took me back, bro. I think that's one of the top tier feelings where you go out and you come back and your room is
Fully clean.
fully
Saaf.
clean, bro. Cupboards, everything.
Yeah.
Oh man, I miss my mom now.
That's one thing I've
Give her a
abided
call
by
up.
always.
I mean, Kumar does it for us now, so it's like he's doing a good enough
He's
job.
doing a pretty
Yeah.
good job.
No matter how like my house might be a mess, but I keep my room is. I make sure to even once I wake up, first thing I do is just make sure my bed sheet is fine. Put like fold my quilt.
Fold your blanket.
Fold my
How
blanket.
often do you guys wash your bed sheet and stuff?
That is something I'm not too proud of.
when you wash
I
it.
think
it's like once
when
a
we
month
moved,
or something.
Stuvi and
Not
I
a
like
month,
didn't
We
change.
both didn't change.
This guy didn't have a bed sheet for 3 months. He just slept on the
I
bed.
was sleep. I was.
He's like, क्यों change करूँ मैं?
Nice.
रखता ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Am I?
Then after I realized
one
it's
sec,
not a
guys.
good
Am
thing.
I slowly going down?
You have gone down.
Yeah.
Say magically I'm falling. Is this fine, guys? Sorry.
प्रशांत.
Pasha.
ठीक
Yeah?
है.
Okay, cool.
You're supposed to wash them once a week.
Once a week.
Once a week.
Yeah.
That's too often. Bro.
Your pillow covers, bed sheet once a week.
I wash it like once a month or once in 2 months.
Yeah, well, you're a nasty pig.
No, I don't think most people do once a week.
Filthy animal.
But
Yeah,
that's
most
all-
people don't do
it's
once a week
Like
also,
it makes
ज़्यादा
your
नहीं.
skin and all. Your face when you're putting it on the pillow cover, it, like the dust and the germs, like they get.
पर वो साफ साफ
pimples.
मस्त नहीं सक मुलायम feels so nice and
How often do you wash your?
not once a week for sure, but
Then
not
once
once
a
a
year.
month.
You know, when
either.
girls find out that boys don't do it once a week.
Yeah, then
They,
I-
they lost it, yeah.
Yeah.
That day we were talking to someone, they're like, "How do you not put it for a month?" Like it's just your bed, bro. You're just sleeping on it.
yeah.
They take all of that stuff very seriously.
हाँ bro, and
But it just takes so much time to dry, bro.
That's the problem, bro. It's too big. Like
Yeah. पूरा मशीन में सिर्फ एक ही जा रहा है भाई वो बड़ा ब्लैंकेट और but I feel like once a week we should maybe try to follow
once a
it.
week is too
मस्त
often.
उसमें डालने का detergent,
मस्त
fabric
एक-
softener.
Yeah. That's like
Make it
tongue
so-
dirty to me.
Make it smell
That's the
all nice.
adult version of it, bro.
Yeah.
We should actually start put all of it at once, like
What do you-
all
all
our,
the blankets.
All our
हाँ.
blank. हाँ.
Nah, you can't fit all of
वो-
them in one.
मोटे
दो
मोटे
दो
होते हैं
तीन
ना
तो
blanket.
जाएगा ना blankets नहीं
Bed sheets.
Yeah, like weekly, like a wash run of
that. I
bed
think that
sheets
will
and
like
stuff.
strengthen our laundry
unity.
friends.
Yes.
Laundry
friends.
Done. I'll
Friends
come
forever
back
for
just to
life.
do laundry.
That's so
Laundry-
sweet, man. That's so
Yeah.
sweet.
Not
Just
to-
come to do the episodes every once in a while.
Maybe we'll appreciate that a little more.
Hey, man.
That'll be nice.
We're laundry friends with you, but
Yeah, I know
we're
you
also
guys.
podcasting friends
I
with
know
you.
you guys miss me. I
LFF.
can tell. LFF.
LFFs.
LFF.
Laundry friends
Laundry
forever.
friends forever.
So sweet.
We should do our laundry now. I
We
feel.
should get LFF bands.
For friendships, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good-
If
that's
you
a-
think of
that's
it,
a bad
that's a stronger bond, bro. If you're doing laundry with someone and just like otherwise you're just friends.
Have you ever like had a day off and you're like आज मैं laundry करूँगा? Not you guys, I think. अभी तुम्हारे पास तो help है, but like now I like
हाँ,
living
अभी तेरे
alone.
को
I feel
सोचना पड़ता है।
I have a day off. I have to wash all my stuff.
Yeah, we're assigned
That's
time
crazy.
for daily chores.
Yeah.
There are days where I do like an everything.
Yeah, everything.
Cupboard,
every day all at
clothes.
once.
Everything,
I did that the
everything.
other day.
and like take a bath properly, like do shave your face, ye wo, like take a bath. Sometimes like I go crazy and I do a scrub.
Scrub like a face
No,
scrub.
skin, like-
Skin scrub.
Yeah.
What
How
is
you
skin
put
scrub?
you put the.
It's like this scrub, bro.
It's like that lotion which has those
Ah.
thingies in it.
हाँ हाँ
and
हाँ
it peels
that,
off
and then
that
you have
skin.
to-
and
You boys
stuff.
are doing
So what do you
skincare
do?
now?
Like you apply
You
it?
just and you wash it.
Okay.
You boys are doing skincare now, like a skincare routine and all.
Nahin, that is a little too much.
I don't do anything.
I every time I'm in a relationship, my skincare is on
हाँ,
point.
because
Yeah, because they take care of it for you. Like they give you use this. If you have a good girlfriend, if your girlfriend is not helping you with skincare,
she doesn't love you.
Sorry, buddy.
She's not really investing
She's
in
not
you.
the
that
one.
means. Yeah.
she either doesn't like you or there's probably some other boy with like glowing skin in her life because of her, because she's helping him instead. Yeah, but abhi skincare is not happening.
I think
Sadly.
I think we'll start that.
We can
also
start with
I
our
have-
clothes
I have one
and our
face
bed
wash.
sheets first.
for
And that also is someone left behind in my bathroom. I have no idea whose it is.
You use the 3-in-1 award: hair wash, hair,
Yeah.
body.
same on your face and your
Yeah.
body and hair.
But you should use a face wash. It's good.
I do once in a while. Otherwise, it's just body wash. If I want to get really clean, I use a loofah.
You
I
have a
use a
loofah?
loofah every day. Apparently,
kind
it's
of-
not good.
You lose a
Someone told
loofah.
me.
Use.
What?
Why is it not good?
Someone said it holds a lot of germs.
Wash the
That
loofah.
too.
You
Stuff
wash it
karna.
also.
Throw
but
it in
still.
your laundry.
Once
On
in a
our
while.
next
When we do laundry together next
Laundry
time.
day.
Laundry
Put
day.
some Tide in, man.
If it breaks apart, then
The loofah.
Of course it will, no?
Why will
Why?
it break apart? It's not a box.
No, you know what I mean, na? Like it'll tear. It's soft.
Acha, it's sensitive.
No, bro. You've got to use the right detergent.
Mm.
You gotta get
That is true, though.
You gotta put Tide in, man. Like
Yeah.
What is this one called again?
what?
The detergent we looked at?
Tide.
No, no.
This is only the most famous detergent in the world ever.
Tide Matic. Huh?
Oh yeah, it is a
Front
global
load.
brand.
It is, bro.
Yeah.
People call detergent Tide.
Tide.
You no longer call it detergent.
It's like that Xerox thing.
Yeah.
Crazy, man.
Tide Matich.
I gotta love Tide.
Laundry kare?
Yeah.
Yeah, immediately. Immediately.
Hey, but this conversation, let me see if we covered everything. In the past year that we've been living together, kind of, and you left.
Camera.
When you live with people, you start like noticing things.
Traits.
Yeah.
Things that you didn't notice before. Or maybe you noticed, but it didn't happen every day, so you
Yeah.
were. What is this? Have you guys noticed something about each other that you just hate?
Yes.
Some annoying
Yeah.
habit.
Yeah. Pet
me
peeves.
I have one about Yugu.
Already?
Yes.
We didn't even.
We don't
You didn't even think. What is
You
it?
had that bullet ready in the chamber.
What does it tell us?
Is Yugu is very messy.
Hey.
He.
Yeah, you are.
If I give
Blanket
him,
state.
if I give him something to eat, let's say some sort of chips packet or anything, he'll eat it and he'll leave the wrapper there. Only
Ek
where he's
second,
sitting
bro.
and
I'm
he'll
not
go off
sitting
to
here
do
and
something
taking all this
else.
No,
nonsense.
I that's a.
ये उसने
I'll
2000 बार
moderate
किया.
this.
You moderate this.
Yeah, you need to step in, dude.
Defendant.
Defendant, what do you have to say about
Do you have
this?
proof of your not doing this?
I have done this in the past, but I'm saying I've learned from it.
अभी
And I've
बैंगलोर जाके.
not just.
After abandoning us.
No, but I've gotten better with all of that stuff.
No, I'm sure.
I think he just
And-
forgets.
No, it's also endearing in a way because it's like he's a little child, and that makes you love him more.
There's one about Krishna, bro. It's damn funny. So Krishna comes here very rarely. Invariably, every time I'm in the bathroom, he'll try to open it and then he'll go, Stuvi yaar, and I'll be taking a bath. Or I'll be like, washing my face. But every time I step in, this guy comes. Every single time.
Can I defend? Can
No,
I defend?
You cannot.
I mean,
It's just funny. It's
is-
not
is-
a.
Let's-
How is that
let's hear,
annoying
let's
habit?
hear.
Yes, yeah. He is in the bathroom 24/7.
It's his bathroom, man.
अरे his bathroom मतलब तू उधर ही रुकेगा क्या पूरा
अरे तो
दिन?
उसको रुकना है तो रुक।
अरे 4 बार, 5 बार, 8 बार रखता
घर में
है.
7 बाथरूम है भाई।
अरे but I have gone there specifically to.
It's damn funny, bro. Because every time I'm inside and I hear that. And I just know it's going to be followed by Stuvi yaar. Just we got to find it
You're in
funny
the
now.
bathroom too often.
I love it. I'm just
You
gonna
love the
go and-
bathroom.
I'm gonna go and sit there now after this.
Okay. Hey, now if I were to list, we'd be here for a
Yeah.
while. Okay, like if
List one.
one from each.
One for
Yeah.
each.
इसका तो वो तो I thought you'll say the glasses thing where your room
Oh,
would
yeah.
be filled with
My
just
room used to
cups
just
and
be-
glasses.
Oh yeah,
I'll-
He used to,
I'll,
he used to forget. I forgot about the glasses, bro.
The glasses thing is real. Like I
Yeah.
forget that I have 4 glasses in my room already.
More than that,
And
bro.
I'll
And
bring
you'd leave
water.
I
and-
think this is your pro corporate mindset where you just take breaks for not working. Like you want to like kind of go and get water or go to the bathroom so that you don't work for 10 minutes. So you could easily just take one bottle
Yeah.
and drink it from there. But you would
we recently got bottles, bro. उसके पहले तो हम glass में
भाई,
भर लेते
ऐसा-
थे.
he would
नहीं
like
बेच
take he would come and fill a glass, go up, drink it, and then come back and take another glass instead of just like
It was too funny. At one point, there were no cups. You remember? In
Yeah.
the like, we have a cupboard filled with just like cups for tea. Zero. Come up and find everything is in the room.
Yeah, 2 are in the bathroom.
Yeah, I don't.
Why are they
How
in
was
the
it in the bathroom?
क्या पी रहा है तू bathroom में?
Yeah, I'd forgotten about the cups.
one of the most annoying ones is the fridge habits, bro. Like how
As in?
people keep stuff in the fridge. That though I still like have a.
What are
now
they-
I just do it myself. So like if you're putting food in the fridge, it's supposed to be covered.
Covered.
You
Yeah.
don't like.
हाँ, just put it in a bowl and put it
Huh,
inside.
you don't do that because it'll dry. It'll become. I don't
It
know.
gets dehydrated.
हाँ गंदा होता है वो फिर खा भी नहीं सकते and it also makes the fridge smell especially like Indian food with all the masala
Yeah.
it's just you open the fridge and you feel like oh whoa what was that
Pungent mix
yeah
of.
or like
fragrances.
leaving the food outside
Yeah.
हाँ.
leaving the food outside और इसका पूरा opposite taking something like जो box में रहेगा या bowl में रहेगा taking everything, the food, and keeping the empty bowl back inside.
That though, it used to happen so often, bro.
Empty
I'm
bowl
opening it, there's an empty bowl inside.
Yeah, just empty
Like,
bowl,
why?
nothing. Or like a
दही
food
दही होता
container.
था
हाँ,
भाई,
दही
दही
के
का
अंदर
पूरा
कुछ
डब्बा
नहीं.
है, खाली करके
The funniest
रख दिया
was
अंदर.
the other day I had come home and for some reason we had ordered ice. I think we had guests over, so we didn't have ice. So there's like a packet. It comes in a packet. So I'd gone. I'd come back down to the kitchen. Turn on the light. There's just the packet of ice lying outside. Someone's
Packet
cut
of
it open.
water now.
So I clicked a photo and I said, "Boys, why is the ice left out?" And Amin goes, "Water." with a star. And then from there, Prashant comes running after a minute. भाई तू डाल देता ना अंदर क्यों डाल रहा है फोटो I said you'll keep forgetting ice over here outside. That's too funny, bro.
That fridge stuff
Was ice.
annoys me. What else annoys me? Let's see. I don't know. I'm gonna. There's so many in my mind that I can't pick.
Out.
Let it out,
then.
bro. Let it out.
Yeah.
What else?
I have one for Stuvi.
Hmm.
Whenever he needs anything done that requires manual labor, he'll wait for the opportunity for someone in the
To go down.
space to like either get up and so
Yeah,
that he
he's
can
a lazy.
let's say he's
So
awake
lazy.
at 12 noon, okay? And उसको अभी चाहिए पानी, वो नहीं जाएगा नीचे.
Hall
He'll
में
be
बैठा
awake
रहेगा.
for 2 hours in his bed scrolling his
He'll
phone.
send me and I'll get
then
him a
he
glass
is
of water.
going down to
Hey.
do whatever else.
Yeah, I
And then he'll be
always-
like, you go when you're going down, just fill this water.
I always have my bottle next to me. Water to is just the other day you finished it. Yeah, that's why I asked Ahan to fill.
He can't never goes and does anything.
He was going down, bro.
My biggest one is the coconut water thing, bro.
Ooh,
yeah.
People would just drink my coconut water, man. It took me threats,
Give context.
like proper threats. I threatened. I was like, your families won't be safe if you drink my coconut water.
Give context. Like पहले I think we used to get 2 or 1 coconut.
एक हमारे
पहले एक
घर
आता
के
था.
नीचे एक बंदा है जिसका कोकोनट
cart है.
हाँ, he has a cart. And we went to him and said, every morning you send, first I think it was 1.
It was
Yeah,
1.
it was
I
Yeah.
was like, send 1 for me
Hmm.
because I drink it every day.
Hmm.
And then he would get it, and sometimes I would just get up and someone's drank
It's
it.
gone.
So then I was like, I had to, kind
Investigate.
kind of say something. I was like, listen, guys, this I've ordered it. If you guys want, I'll tell him to get more.
Huh.
Then people like, yeah, I also want more. Then
Then
we got
we-
2. Then
yeah.
eventually 3 comes
Now
now.
3 come.
Wasn't it 4 at one point?
No,
And
no.
still you didn't get
Like,
one.
kabhi-
It was
kabhi,
3.
like, yeah, I don't know. Like people would just, and then no one would admit.
Yeah.
That they've had it.
And if they had it, they were like, oh, Stuvi told me to have it.
The coconut
funny, bro.
water mystery is
And
is
then this
real.
one
bhai.
day I was like, guys, listen, this can't.
It's getting out of hand.
this
Because
getting
there
out
were
of
3,
hand.
bro. One
Yeah.
for him, one for me, and the third like
One extra.
It was extra, and still he didn't get, bro. Think about
Then
it.
I went ham on the group. I was like, guys, listen, I'm not. I said I'm not gonna do anything. ठीक है? I won't do anything.
Don't.
But just know, from this moment onwards, look around. Just be alert at all times. Because at any point,
Something's coming.
something's coming, and it might be in 10 years. It might be in 15, but I'm going to get you back. Then eventually we realized the guy kind of messed up, and
Yeah.
he didn't, the coconut he gave was empty.
Oh,
So that was the
crap.
plot twist.
It broke or something.
Yeah.
So
उसने खाली दिया था.
हाँ,
खाली
then I
नहीं
called
दिया।
him and he's like, हाँ, वो बारिश के वजह से ये हो जाता है, मैं दूसरा ला रहा हूँ.
What?
Crap, man.
So then I was like, okay, ठीक है.
I thought there was some culprit inside the
peace
house.
was restored, bro, because of that. If we hadn't found out that it
Yeah.
was like this, people were gonna get
Executed.
yeah,
families were threatened.
families were threatened, bro.
Have you all considered a lot of you all order food, and apart from sometimes food is already made at home, or you have like drinks or soft drinks, whatever that you order. Do you have you ever considered labeling them? Like saying ये मेरा है कोई छुएगा नहीं इसको.
नहीं भाई, it's not so that we don't want to have that vibe only.
But you also don't want people drinking your coconuts.
Coconut is different.
Coconut
It's
is now
dedicated.
sorted.
I'm ordering it every day for me.
Hmm.
Huh.
If someone wants it, they can get it. But if I'm buying Coke,
So
I'm
for
not
these type
buying
of
just one
things,
can of Coke. I'll buy like a bunch, and then
People can.
people can have it. It's fine, bro. Like it doesn't matter. With food and all, whenever.
Yeah, food.
like,
No one ever says anything.
जिसको खाना है खाओ.
Yeah.
If you can replace it after, great. If not, then we'll just feel bad in private. No one will say anything.
We'll just shove it under the carpet.
Yeah. just deal with it.
Yeah.
Food is, you can't say anything about food, bro, I feel.
Yeah.
ऐसा हावड़ा जैसे खाने का भी नहीं ना, you have to
हाँ,
be
अगर
civil
किसी
also ना
ने, if
यार.
someone's eaten, then they've eaten. ठीक है. If you are really looking forward to it, then you could have put up saying, guys, I was looking forward to it.
मैं खाने वाला
Yeah, that coconut meant a lot to me, man.
Then there's small things which are like one of those things where you have to kind of
Oversee.
Just suck up and deal with.
yeah, like small habits that like Stewie just sings out of nowhere randomly and
Yeah.
he can't sing.
Yeah.
Like
Sometimes
to do
you
that.
can.
I also have a very bad habit of like doing this to my t-shirt. Which I pointed
that
out.
no one cares about.
Yeah, no one
do as
doesn't
much as you want. It's like
तू करना तेरे को.
तू private में कर, तू मेरे सामने कर. I can look away. With music, I can't.
He
shut
cannot
my
hear you.
ears, nah,
I
can't go
suddenly like sing out loud.
What does he? What is
He makes me hate my own songs. Bro.
You got
me. You got me.
I got you.
Stephen Hawking वाला.
अभी क्या गाना चल रहा है? कौन सा? अभी हनुमान काइंड का चल रहा है.
हाँ, Big Dogs.
As
Yeah.
Stewie will randomly go. And you're like, bro, at least make an effort. Not
Yeah.
try. Like he does it
But
on
I'm
purpose.
tone deaf. No, I
No,
don't
you're
do it
not
on
tone
He is
purpose.
tone deaf. He is
I'm tone deaf. I am genuinely.
Nee,
tone
but you
deaf.
sing the lyrics wrong on purpose.
No, that's because I don't know the lyrics.
Sometimes
so
you know.
if you don't know the lyrics and you're tone deaf, maybe you should consider
Shutting up.
not singing. Maybe that would be.
See, I'll tell you what happens with me is if I hear a word, my brain automatically associates it with like a song. And then that song starts
Yeah.
playing in my head.
No, that happens
And
to
then
me.
sometimes
Stay
I'm
there,
not.
bro. Let it stay there. What you do in your head is
Yeah, everything doesn't need to come out.
just stay there. Bro, there's different art
man,
forms you can consider, like, you know. Start dancing.
No,
If
no,
you
that's
don't
bro,
know,
that's gonna
that'll
be
be
worse
worse.
for you.
He can
I
do
don't
this
care.
step there.
Yeah, he can dance poorly. It'll be
हाँ, but
entertaining.
तेरे सामने रहेगा तो randomly आके नाच रहा है वो.
भाई वो अपने रूम में भी गाता है, मुझे आता है आवाज बाहर से.
damn.
And
I do that. I really
in
do
the
that.
bathroom also he starts singing randomly.
Yeah.
That's fine. See, I
Bathroom
can't
ठीक
I
है.
can't hate on him for that.
Yeah.
But the other stuff,
Yeah, I'll
or like Yugu, he keeps shaking his leg,
Yeah, I
yeah, Yugo tends to do that.
and then
He also moves it outwards
Again.
a lot.
abhi outwards, inwards, shaking.
do.
It is,
See,
yeah.
but this is one of those things that I kind of can't say anything about. But when you're around it, मेरे को हो रहा है anxiety.
Hmm.
कि-
That nervousness is bothering
yeah,
you.
I'm like, bro, what is happening to him? Like,
But that's an anxiety thing. Or what?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah. No, even I tap a lot.
you clench your
Yeah,
Jaw.
even I
Jaw.
clench my jaw a lot.
Yeah, with you, it's not that visible because
The,
of
the beard.
your
I have to
beard.
remove
You guys
this.
notice how no one has said anything about me? It's-
What? I don't. Yeah, actually, I don't have. any.
just
Wait,
perfect, bro.
let's
I'm
let's
just
think.
perfect.
Yeah, let me think. Actually.
Let's think about Amin's annoying habits.
It's gonna
सोचना
be a
पड़ रहा है
while.
भाई.
This is gonna be a
सोचना
while.
पड़ रहा
This is
है.
gonna be a while, guys.
Huh, because I've never had any like peculiar things about him that have bothered me.
Because that's
He's
none.
a easygoing fella, isn't he?
Because there's none he's saying.
No, I'm sure there's something.
There'll be something. We'll have to.
Just
Ali,
the
you want
fact
to help
that
me?
He doesn't communicate how he feels
Directly.
and then
Yeah.
by-
Oh yeah. He
Yeah,
will do
yeah.
that a lot.
That he does.
This
तू
was
बहुत
his
करता है.
emotional.
he doesn't.
बहुत करता है.
Come on, bro. Come on.
But to be honest, even
he doesn't
Stewie
share
does.
his feelings with us. What is wrong with you guys?
Doesn't communicate.
No, but if there is a
his
issue,
feelings is
y'all can
like-
just
yeah.
go ahead and address it rather than just sitting quietly and then someone will send one text message.
No, I
saying
think
that,
he
oh,
does that more than.
First of all, see, the text message is because everyone's on the group. So,
Yeah.
like
Yeah, it's a public forum.
Yeah, I can't just go to everyone one by one, and then that's the worst thing to do, right?
What we would do is go to a restaurant and have a meeting.
Back in the day.
Before group chats were a thing.
That was too good, bro. I remember that. Any major life event would
Even
happen.
minor. Bro.
Why would we do that?
My
you
girl
go
left
on a
me.
date.
Four
No,
of us used
to go. You go on a date with a girl. You're like, okay, next day we have a meeting. We'll
Yeah.
all meet and we'll talk.
That's quite sweet, though. We used to do that quite often.
Yeah.
Now
Four
we
of
do
us
it
only, no?
on the
Yeah.
internet.
Yeah, now we just tell everyone.
Now we just tell the whole world.
Nah, bro. A lot of times it's like something happens, and then I also have to sit with it, na, for a while to see how I really feel about it. Then I will decide if I want to. Sometimes it's just better for the peace of the house for me to not bring it up because it'll just like create tension, and then you're like, you know what, I'll do.
Are you in your head too much?
I'm always in my head. I'm the most
In his head.
in my
person.
head guy there is, bro.
Hmm.
We
Even
spoke.
I'm in
Who
my
was I
head a lot.
talking to? I think I was talking to Prashant, bro. I'm so overly critical of everything that I do.
Hmm. But is that a good thing?
I mean, it builds.
can be.
Helps you build good habits, I guess.
Yeah, it does. But then if you're constantly criticizing
Oh,
yourself, do you
something-
appreciate yourself ever?
Yeah,
Sorry,
that's
sorry.
also important.
We were talking about on the phone something Lucifer's
Intellect.
Lucifer's
Yeah.
intellect. Have you all spoken about this before?
No, but we can. I think we can. You want to get into it?
I would love to. Because we had a
Likes
very
all
small
this
conversation.
philosophical
Is
crap.
it for this episode or for another
No, we'll
episode?
do it on a different
ठीक है.
episode.
Yeah.
Maybe थोड़ा ये करते हैं.
I
But
think we can.
no, bro. Like even with now, if you want to get back to the things around the house, because I'm constantly thinking about every single thing that I'm doing. Like I'm evaluating ki even if this is going to be mildly annoying for the other person,
Hmm.
I would like not do it. And sometimes if I choose to do it, I know that I'm being annoying. Like I'm fully aware that I'm being annoying, but
But it's for the good of overall good of the house or something. वैसा बोल रहे थे.
नहीं वैसा
No.
नहीं.
It might
Saying that
annoy-
if he's being annoying, he knows he's
Like
being
I can
annoying.
sense ki this
Yeah.
person. Like if I was doing the leg shaking thing, and if you were getting annoyed by it, I would know.
Hmm.
Then I would choose ki.
हाँ,
do I
but
still want to keep doing it or not?
if it's not in your control, then how would you?
तो
It is
वही
in your
ना,
control
वही
ना,
ना,
but-
तो I'm bro, it's like this very weird thing that I'm constantly self-criticizing. Everything that I'm doing, I'm like running it through 1,000 filters, and then I try to make the best decision possible in that moment. Or sometimes I'm maybe not. Like I'm not feeling up to it. Like I don't want to be a good guy today. You know, I'm just like tired. I'm like, bro, I'll do whatever I want. But I know I'm doing the wrong thing. You know, I know I'm being annoying. I know I'm causing someone hurt.
Hmm.
But like, it's just very weird. I don't know. It's also great because I'm
You're aware. You're still.
I'm aware, and
yeah.
even the good things that I do in life are mostly because of
From
this.
that.
But like sometimes it goes the other.
Hmm.
That's why probably like you guys aren't able to pinpoint
Hmm.
like one thing. I'm sure there's annoying
There will
thing,
be.
but
Yeah.
कुछ तो होगा भाई. ढूंढना पड़ेगा अपने को. We'll figure it out.
Armin always wants to talk to girls.
How is that a bad thing?
No, because sometimes you should just like
Nahi,
not
bro.
think about that.
Sometimes though I live with all you guys and we do everything together. But sometimes I want to talk to girls, man.
That's
That's not a bad. I don't
I
think
think
that's a
he
bad.
brings it up too
Criticism.
often, dude.
what women.
Yeah.
But he says it in a funny way.
Yeah.
That I
see,
get his humor.
Now
I
with
get his
you,
humor.
with you, I'm doing it on purpose to annoy you.
Like even me singing your song to you is to annoy you.
You were singing that day when I was not even here.
Even me keeping
Which
the
one?
glasses
When
there is
I
just
was-
because
Everything is just to bug everyone.
I
one?
know
Which
it.
one?
Okay, I know what I'm doing.
Sometimes I even send you a voice note
I
of
was
me
up-
singing your song.
I was upstairs just putting my clothes on and I can hear him downstairs in the living room.
Yeah.
But like I said, bro, if I see you, then I remember your songs. That's why I sing it.
ठीक है, अच्छी बात.
I'm kind of dumb that way. Sorry.
And I think all of this is the beauty of living together and like
Yeah.
co-living and living with roommates or friends. It helps you be more patient. It helps you
the
get to
friends we
know
make
each other
along the
more, and also
दोस्ती. प्यार
teaches
है.
you teaches you a lot about life, man. I think everyone
It
should
does.
experience it at some point.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Just living
What, like
alone.
living with their friends?
Living away from home.
Yeah, living away from home is a must.
Living alone, living with friends, living with strangers, everything, bro. Like
Yeah.
everything's gonna
Experience
teach
everything.
you.
It teaches
You two are doing too
Oh, I'm doing all of it at the same time. So
good after you abandoned us.
And
Anyway, yes. Like
you guys really feel bad about like because you brought it up like 4 times now.
No,
I
man.
think-
it's fine. It's cool. You
It's
do.
fine, you-
That's-
you-
It's your life.
you do you,
whatever
bro.
want. If you want to just like hang us out to dry, it's okay.
Yeah.
man. Like,
Yeah, like how you should. Yeah.
up to you.
You don't get to speak.
I'm not saying anything. I was going to say like you hang your clothes after you dry them. We wash them at night.
Yeah. Man, one thing that I just thought of is something that hit me really hard after we moved. It was like the first time you get sick after you've moved out of your
Oh,
house.
that's
horrible,
that's
man.
that's nasty.
And your mom isn't there to take care of you.
Yeah.
Bro, that's when you're like,
But that's when like if your friends are around, they will really come through. Like
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
होता है वो.
नहीं वो I mean still it's a different thing. But then you're just like, man, I'm on my own.
Yeah,
If
I
you have
mean, like,
friends
no
around,
one's
it
gonna
hits you,
sit
it
next
hits
to
you,
you
yeah.
and like no one's
No
gonna
one's
sit
going to
next
remind
to
you
you.
that you have to eat.
Eat,
or
take
that
your
you have to take
medicine,
care
you
of
have to
yourself.
nurse
take care of
yourself
yourself.
back.
Yeah.
No, when I come, I try to do that with everyone.
Oh.
You
Like,
nurse.
No, he's very caring.
I'm
Krishna
saying
will come.
nursing.
But
I'm
no,
not
but
calling you
even I
nurse.
remember once too, he's just started going to the gym. I don't know if he's still going, but he's all that exercise and all that.
Yeah, it's so sweet.
So his shoulders and all were hurting.
Maybe massage.
Yeah.
I was saying you have to massage it a certain way. So then he was like, "Arey, who will massage me, yaar?" So something like that. And then I started massaging him, and he felt very like flabbergasted that someone was touching him and trying to make him feel
That's
better.
so sweet.
That was actually very sweet.
So you guys are such nice friends.
Yeah.
Don't take it in a dirty way, but yeah, it was
नहीं नहीं
sweet.
बिल्कुल
We
नहीं.
didn't?
This guy,
When?
my faces at him and he's saying I was massaging him.
No,
You
I
didn't
think everyone.
massage me.
I think everyone should.
I'll massage you now after this.
ठीक है.
Everyone should massage their friends, especially when
Yeah.
you're like laundry friends for life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Laundry कर
Laundry-
सकते हैं तो massage भी
Laundry
कर ही सकते
friends.
Don't show an L.
हैं. Anyway, man,
Yeah, this was a fun episode.
this was fun. I think थोड़ा अभी इसके बाद बैठ के discussion करना है. Like, you really meant that, or?
You're really feeling bad, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cut the audio.
I'm curious to see like the people who are listening to this. Are they going through similar experiences?
I'm
Yeah.
sure like if they're around our age then
सुनना है. It'll be fun to read comments.
Yeah, put
And
your
that's cool.
comments down.
Yeah, tell us your stories. Like क्या
yeah, that would be fun.
तुम्हारे घर पे कौन क्या करता है?
Like your roommate's most annoying habit.
Yeah, tell us.
Oh yeah, that's actually such
That's
a
a
good
cool
thing.
thing.
Yeah.
Your housemate's most
Then
annoying.
we'll
habit.
see, read all that. We're like, इतना भी
हमारा
बुरा
इतना
नहीं है.
खराब नहीं
Yeah.
होगा. Like people might be doing worse stuff.
Yeah, man. And shout out to Tide
Shout out Tide,
Yeah.
for
For
sponsoring
taking
this
care.
episode
sponsoring
Oh,
this
yes.
episode, for keeping our clothes clean,
and
and for bringing our friendship even closer.
क्या बात है?
Dosti.
At least you finished that sentence.
Oh, man.